Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode I'm going to go into Aldi and do a ketogenic diet haul coming up next. Hey guys, this is Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe. I'm going to do my Aldi keto grocery haul, show you all my keto goodies coming up next. Good job. Yeah. So I'm just doing a quick haul to go grab some groceries because I usually do my once a month shopping at Costco for meats, but I'm just going to fill in some veggies and other little small things. Still cheaper on Amazon for these. So I loaded my car, just a friendly reminder that there was creepy carbs and some stuff, and I'll show you which ones those are. Right down below Aldi Keto, and that will tell me I should do more grocery hauls from Aldi if you like this video. All of my delicious Aldi goodies. Okay, the first thing that I got was my organic large brown eggs. These are super cheap, and they are supposed to say on them certified humane to help have humane chickens. So thank you guys for suggesting that for me. This is what I got, was my eggs. Next thing I got was a whole bunch of avocados. I'll put in the description link below my avocado rotation system. I got 4 of them, and a bunch of these will go in the refrigerator so they can be nice and squishy, and then I can rotate them out. The next thing I got was some almond milk, unsweetened. I love this kind, and it is for 1 full cup is 1 net carb, which is awesome. I got some diced tomatoes, and some people in the keto community do not like diced tomatoes, but I got these y'all because I use it in my Indian chicken. It's a great, easy crock pot dish. I'll put that in the description link below. Super simple for a busy mom with a busy family. The next thing I got was some bacon. Love their bacon. This bacon in it does not have sugar added, so there we go. I got some sour cream, which some of y'all don't like this particular brand, but you know, living on real life, this is what I got. I also got Mexican style cheese. Obviously, the best possible cheese that you can get is real cheese in block format and shred your own. I just don't happen to have time this week for time purposes. These do have an added not a cornstarch, but it does have an added carbohydrate thickening agent to help like keep it fresh. So just FYI for this brand, I'm willing to take that risk, but I'd rather you make a conscious product choice. I got some cream cheese as well. Got some deli meat. Again, there's nitrates in that. Some people don't like that, but that's just what we got from my family because it's an easy grab for some quick protein if I need it. And again, keto is high fat, moderate protein, low carb. So obviously trying not to have too much protein, more fat in the diet, which is why I got my 2 Kerrygold sticks. Kerrygold has started putting canola oil in some of their products, so just make sure that you are getting the proper Kerrygold and checking the ingredients on the back for that. So like my tower, my keto tower. I got 2 blocks of cheese, just as something easy for the Duke, who's 3 years old. Keeps it easy for him. I got some heavy whipping cream. Some of y'all don't like this because it has carcinogen. I'll put the word below. But just being a conscious consumer of knowing, obviously the best possible one that we could get would be like an organic one. My Aldi didn't have that, so this is what I got. And I got some baby spinach as well for some salads that I'll probably put on top with some avocado. Can make my own blue cheese dressing because they do have some blue cheese with it. It'll be delicious. I got a cucumber up here, and I did get these. These were uncured beef hot dogs, no nitrates added. It does have in the ingredients, the very last thing was organic cane sugar. While the label says 0, we do know reading labels that product manufacturers can have 0.9 and then round it down as opposed to rounding it up. This very well have 1 gram of sugar per hot dog length, and in the pack came 6 hot dogs. So I got this just as sometimes hot dogs are easy for having a 3-year-old, and I like that they were uncured, no GMOs, no nitrates, and any of that stuff. So I got those as well. So that was my mini haul. Because I get my meat usually from Costco, but sometimes we like to fill in. I forgot to get my bacon from Costco during the last haul, and I needed some extra products just to kind of get us through the hump If you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and if you want to get on my free email list, countessoflowcarb.com, go to the website and click subscribe on my weekly encouragement emails that I send out that are totally free, along with my free blog, www.countessoflowcarb.com. And if you're interested in my Crush It with Countess series, that is not free, but it has awesome tips and 4 videos, 4 printables, and a 45-page workbook as well. Right down below Aldi Keto, and that will tell me I should do more grocery hauls from Aldi if you like this video. Along with my Amazon book, Mom's Guide to Ketosis, I'll put that all in the description link below. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and check out my free daily blog, countessoflowcarb.com. See you again soon.